do I look? Alright. Okay. Alright, I'm about to show y'all how we whip it up in here. You understand what I'm saying? Alright, we about to do some fish stew. We got some salmon, we got some shrimps, crawfish, the holy trinidad, you understand? All them seasonings and things like that there. But come on over here. Right now, we're going to start off with some of that coconut oil, organic of course. And we're going to put some flour in here to make a roux, you understand? Now you want to stir that up around. Come on over here so you can see that. Stir that around a little bit to get that thing going. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get all those little white bits up out of there. Because you don't want none of that shit to be clumpy. Alright, now you see that roux done darkened up, as you can see. We don't want a real dark roux like a gumbo. You know what I'm saying? We just want it to be a little brown. You know, it ain't too Caucasian color. But I'm gonna add some of this right here. You wanna add some of that up in there. Ooh, Lord, we fine, we cooking now. Ooh, if you don't hear a sizzle, you ain't cooking. Put the whole can in there. Now you see right now we gotta add these carrots first. Because carrots take a long time, you understand? So I'm gonna start these off in there. Along with the bell peppers. The red ones too, as you can see. Put some onions off in there, as you can see. Celery. Now, stir that around. Make it have some color. Now I'm about to show y'all how to make this stew. I make the best, and I do mean the best, fish stew. We're gonna have shrimp, we're gonna have some salmon off in there, we're gonna have the crawfish off in that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? And right now, as you can see, I'm putting these potatoes off in this thing. Now look at that though. Don't it look pretty already? I'm about to start this thing off with a little of the seasonings, as you can see, as we got the whole kitchen sink here. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of oregano. Just a little bit like that. Now, some of that garlic. Like that there. Now we got that guy right there. That's that red pepper flake right there. My daughter, she said she don't like a lot of red pepper flakes, so we just gonna do like that there. We're gonna do it like that there, right there. It ain't seafood without some lemon pepper. Put some of that up in there. Put that in there. Secret. Orange peel. Pop, 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 like that there. Coriander. I guarantee you ain't got this in your cabinet because you ain't no spiceologist like me. Okay. Put some of that up in there. Now, don't tell nobody. Put a little of that up in there. Now when you want that onion, good flavor, you add that there. There we go. Smoky flavor. That's what you want. Now, this right here, this is definitely ultimate secret. Now stir that and you pop it. Okay. And don't forget the bay leaves. Gotta drop them off up in there. Now you know this been cooking for about 20-30 minutes. You gotta let everything come together. You know what I'm saying? That's that good seafood stew. And I ain't even put the seafood in there yet. Look at that. Good texture to it. Look at that. Now, we're gonna add these shrimps and that salmon. And at the very last minute, we're gonna put those crawfish up in there. Right now, we're just adding that shrimp. And you might as well just push them off in there like that there. Now, that's what you want. See how that come together like that there? Seafood, soup, stew, whatever you want to call it. But it's going to be the bomb.com. Hello, world. Alright. As y'all can see, the stew is stewing. Look at that there. Ooh wee. Bring it up to me. You gotta see my face. Ooh, this food's so good. It's gonna nourish your body and everything, and every bit of your body gonna be nourished, and you're gonna be so full and so delectable. You're gonna be so happy. Okay, now I'm gonna add this crawfish right here. Look at that crawfish going in there. There we go. Look at that deliciousness. Alrighty. There you go, my dear. There you go.